5. We're gonna start the workout pag may ano na kami. Sino po nandito kanina? 995 na lang yun. Oh, nandito si Alex. Ayan, let's go. Let's go. Sige na. Patay na. Balik sa patay. Manang paulay. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 1, and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 4, 1, 5, 6, 7, 10. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Pera. So, bill na.
50. Yan guys, minus 50. Yan guys, minus 50. No, this is not a joke. Yan. 945 left. 945 left. 945 left. Pagkatapos nito, kakain siya. After this, he's gonna eat foods with high protein. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yo, what's up? What's up, Van Tenix? Welcome back.
9. 10.
895 left. Let's go. 895 guys. 895 left. Paspasaw bira pa huli din ka pa unaog. 1 ana 2 dali goods 4 5 I'm from the Philippines. Pila to?
5.
Minus 50. 845 left. 845 left. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 3, 4, 5. Yan, 5, 15. 15. 1 to 5. 700 na lang siya. Let's go. 720. Let's go. Malakas ka, boy. Daghan kag kusog chan. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's go. Pwede na pa ulit ka dyan. Laumag ginawa. Go. Let's go. 1, 2, let's go. 3, let's go. 4. Di pa. 5. Let's go. Sige, kaya pa. 16. 17. 18. 19. 20. Oh, yeah, 100 left, Chan. Ay, 100. 620 left. 620 left, Chan. Lapit na. We're almost there. 620. Final stretch na to. Imagine, 3,000 kapin kanya. 4,000 kapin. Rose ba yan? Anong rose? Let's go, guys. Grabe, guys. Ang tindi ng workout namin, guys. Let's go. Food menu. Itlog lang yung kinakain namin, mga idol. Itlog lang. Kami yung mga egg spammer. Mga egg spammer, guys. 620, Chan. Let's go, Chan. 620. 620. 620 left. 620.
3,
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
Gato?
8, 8, 38, 9, and 10. 40.
Last 10.
Let's go. Ginawa lang. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10.
10.
Minus 50. 500, guys. Last 500. Malapit na. Malapit na. Grabe. Kinakaya pa po, boss. Kinakaya, James. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. Hindi namin tinitake yung calories namin. 10.
Oh.
520 left. 520 left. Let's go. Kaya pa ni. 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 Malakas ka. Malakas ka. Malakas ka. Almost there. Bira paspas para paulitin ka pa naog. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's go. 6. Fight yun. Fight. Good. 7. Last one. Point. Agay. Up.
Nandiyan.
70. 450 life, guys. 450. 450 life. Sige, sige, sige. Sige, sige.
4.
4.
Ten.
400 left yan. Lapit na.
Kami na lang yun.
400 left.
Nasa ako sa ikaw ng kami para dala pa huli. Ito, pag kayo.
Pawala sa'yo. Tagal pa nagbatiri. Yun, thank you sa Rose. Thank you so much, Rose. James, thank you, James. Thank you so much, Rose. Thank you so much,
Dala
Rose.
400. Kaya.
Thank you sa GG, James. Shout out kay James. Thank you so much. Boss, what's up, tao? Uy, James. Thank you, James. Let's go. Thank you so much, Rose, James.
Magunsa ko. Jump squat.
Jump squat. 1, 2, 3, 4,
5.
6, 7,
8.
10, 1,
11.
2, 3, 4,
17. 19. 20.
300 left. Let's go. 300 left. $300 left. Ano ang gawin mo, tao? Ano? Just train every other day. Train mo yung negative pull-ups. Hold mo as long as possible. Dapat china-challenge mo yung sarili mo. Dapat intense yung every rep, every set, every session. Tapos mag-rest ka ng 48 hours. Tapos train ka ulit. Train every other day. Tapos kain ka ng protein. Lalakas ka. Hindi pwede everyday, dapat every other day. Dapat may rest ka 48 hours.
50.
250 left dyan. Oh. Kana, it's either 25 ka pull up or 50 ka sit up. 50 ka push up. Nara diya. Basta, ininaya lang ng
Basta
250.
makuman ko sa squat. Sa squat, ay jump squat ko makuman.
Sige.
Lihap na ako daan.
Sige, 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 labi. Thank you so much sa support nyo, guys. Thank you sa mga viewers namin. Thank you sa mga nagko-comment. Thank you so much, guys, sa mga nag-gift. Thank you sa mga nagla-like ng live. Thank you so much, guys. We appreciate everything. Sa mga nag-follow, thank you so much. Thank you so much, Sir Rose. Uy, sa Rosa. James. Shoutout kay James. Salamat, salamat sa Rosa.
9.
Thank you so much, James.
9. 10. Oh, 50. Pila?
100.
100.
Bira. 3. 4. 5. Ayan, 5.
150.
Push lang. Last set na ni. Go hard. 2, 3. Go hard. 5, 6. Go hard. Di pa.
10. 20 ka sa last.
Hindi na ba? All out.
100 na bilhin ko. Sa wakas.
Go. 1, 2,
3,
4.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Last 10, boy.
30 seconds ka rest. Sige lang.
Last 10. Last 10 na lang yung jump squat na tira, guys. Tapos na yung challenge. Mag-end live na kami. Last na lang po. Last 10 jump squats. We're gonna end the live. Yun. We're gonna end the live. We're gonna end the live. Isulod pa ang imong inhale. Sulod pa sa utok. Na. Sa ilong ipagi daw. Kana. Baba din gawas. Kana, muna relaxing kayo. Boss, pasagot. Sige, sagutin natin yan. Ano yung sasagutin natin? Hindi pwede every day. Dapat every other day. May rest 40 hours. 48 hours. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Easy. 9, 10. Let's go.
Let's go!
Let's go. Let's go. Tapos na, guys. We're gonna end the live. Let's go. Let's go. Thank you for the heart me, Moonlight. We're gonna end the live, guys. We're gonna live. Thank you so much.
guys.
Thanks so much. We're gonna end the live. Bye-bye.
Peace out.
Bye.